Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix vibration not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have turned off do not disturb mode or other focus mode. So you have open the setting and then you have click on focus mode. So then you have click on do not disturb mode. So you have turn off on your iPhone, so you have while facing this issue vibration not working. So then your iPhone vibrate when it is in silent mode, which is enabled by sliding the physical button on the left side. However, after you enable do not disturb mode or other focus mode to cut down on call, text and app notification on your iPhone will not vibrate. Then second solution, you have restarted your iPhone. Sometimes the most irritating of problem can fixed easily by a simple restart. So before moving to the remaining solution, turn off your iPhone and turn it back on. If your device was not vibrating due to temporary bugs, restarting is it should help. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see a Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds, but then your mobile is restart. Then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have turn on keyboard vibration. Are you looking to get haptic feedback when you type on the iPhone keyboard? If yes, that has a separate settings. Then fourth solution, update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. If your iPhone is running an older version of iOS, so go to the setting and then you have click on general. So then you have click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed. Then last solution, you have reset or setting iPhone. When you reset the iPhone setting, if it does not delete your app of data, music, photos, videos, etc. However, all your customized settings are brought back to their default configuration. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.